It's important to define your presentation objective from the start. Whether you need to teach your team a new process, pitch to a prospective client, or present data findings to senior management, there are many reasons why you may need to prepare an effective presentation. As you approach a new presentation, you may be wondering, where do I start and how do I set myself up for success? As eager as you may be to develop your presentation materials, it's critical to take a step back and start by defining your objective. Your objective is the goal or desired outcome of your presentation. It's important to define your objective early on and to give your presentation a clear direction that offers value to your audience. There are 3 practical steps to gain clarity on your presentation's objective. The first step is knowing who your audience is. Who is your average audience member? What do they value? What motivates them? And what challenges do they face? The second step is to choose from the 4 presentation types: to inform, inspire, persuade, or mobilize. Perhaps you want your presentation to inform, or maybe the goal of your presentation is to inspire. And if you want to change an audience's way of seeing, thinking, or believing, then you'll want to choose a presentation that persuades. Whereas if you want the audience to take a specific action, such as buying a product or changing a behavior, then that's a presentation to mobilize. So, now that you've clarified your audience and chosen a presentation type, you can take the final step in developing your objective, defining a single takeaway. A takeaway is the one thing that you want your audience to do or remember after your presentation is over. You should ask yourself, am I clearly conveying a single most important insight or action that will transmit to the audience by the end of my presentation? Always remember to consider your audience, choose a presentation type, and define a single takeaway. These 3 steps to defining your presentation objective all boil down to one big idea. Start with the end goal in mind. And remember, when you have an organized and concise vision of your presentation objective, the audience will have a clear understanding of the message you're attempting to convey.